Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about external references in Excel. The data we have here is the number of t-shirts and shorts sold in a store in months of January, February and March, and in years 2012, 11 and 10. We are going to start by learning how to group multiple worksheets. We can do this either by Control key or Shift key. To do this with Control key, we are gonna hold down the Control key while selecting the worksheets we want to group. After grouping, we can see the group here. To ungroup sheets, we just right-click it and select ungroup sheets. To do this with like Shift key, we are going to hold down the Shift key and select the range of the worksheets in here from 2012 to 2010. Okay, let's try this again. We are holding down the Shift key and selecting these range. Okay, now we grouped our sheets. We are going to start by finding the total for each month. To do this, we are gonna use sum formula and select this range and hit enter. And now we can see as we group the worksheets, the total that the sum formula like applied to every worksheet. Now let's copy this cell to other months, and as we can see, as we group the worksheets, again we copy it for each worksheet. So let's copy one of these sheets to make a summary worksheet. Let's call this summary. In this worksheet, we're gonna find the total of each 3 years. So we need to delete the data from the summary worksheet. Okay, now we can see although we deleted the data, the formula stays same. Let's put a title here, and we're gonna copy this title to other worksheets, but we're gonna do this using external referencing. To do this, we are going to again first group our worksheets, these three, and after that we're gonna go to cell B2 and externally reference cell B2 in the summary worksheet, and we can see the formula here. We are hitting enter, and we can see the title is appearing in both of these worksheets. Let's ungroup this and put different titles to each one of them. And an important thing to keep in mind while grouping worksheets is that the format of the worksheets should be same. I mean the places of the cells for each variable. Okay, now we have our titles. So now we are going to use 3D referencing to reference 3 different worksheets in order to use those in a formula. In here we're going to use the sum formula, and now we are going to again group all these 3 worksheets and select cell C5, and this formula says us that cell C5 is selected in each of these 3 worksheets, and we're gonna take the sum of all these 3 C5 cells. So let's hit enter, and here we can see this number is the total of all 3 years. Let's copy this to other cells, and now here we can see our summary worksheet. In this worksheet we can see the totals for all 3 years, and we can see according to the months, years, and the item, whether if it's a t-shirt or short as well. Thank you for watching our tutorial video.